Today I'm going to be talking about chiastic story structure. What the heck is chiastic story structure? It's just a ring structure. It just is a ring. Pardon my drawing a circle. And I learned it from K.M. Whelan's story structure book, which I highly recommend, as I recommend all of her book. But if you're a structure nerd, you're going to be in heaven with her materials. And all it is a circle. And we are going to divide the circle at the beginning in quarters. Here we go. And this is going to be the beginning of our circle. It's going to be the end of our circle. And if you look at the circle and you apply the standard 3-act structure, and this is going to be Act 1. This is going to be Act 3. And this is going to be Act 2, which I personally divide into Act 2A and Act 2B, but you don't have to. If all of that is equal quarters, then this is our middle. And this is 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, and a 0%. So what is how story structure? Most of us are used to seeing story structure being represented as a linear thing, where we have maybe a graph like that, and we're talking about something like that as an option, or you can have maybe just, this is the middle, and this is Act 1. This is Act 3, and this is Act 2. All we're doing is taking the same line and we're representing it in a circle. Because what we're going to be doing, we're going to be matching different sides of the circle. And another thing that will be helpful is this representation that I learned from Mary Rabinat Koval in her guest appearance at Brennan Sanderson lectures. She talks about brackets. So if this is the beginning, this is the end, and this is the middle, then when we talk about subplots, usually you're going to have your main plot, and then the next subplot is going to be introduced and closed, next introduced and closed, introduced and closed. And this is kind of like what it looks like. You're going to be opening threads, and around the middle, you're going to be closing them.